Have you ever wondered why some people earn a good income, but still have nothing left at the end of the month? The truth is, it's not always about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you already have. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful money-saving habits that can completely change the way you handle your finances. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll reveal a famous Japanese budgeting method that's over 100 years old and still helps millions of people save money today. Let's get started. Number 1. Buy what you need, not what catches your eye. Shopping malls and online stores are designed to make you spend. Bright displays, limited time offers, huge discounts, they make you feel like you're saving money. But if you buy something you never needed, you didn't save anything. You simply spent less than the original price. Before you shop, make a list. And no matter how tempting those offers look, stick to it. Your wallet will thank you later. Number 2. Don't chase every desire. Here's something most people never realize. Our wants never end. The moment we get one thing, we start wanting something else. That cycle can empty your bank account without you even noticing. Now, that doesn't mean you should stop enjoying life. It simply means enjoy it with balance. Love eating out. Do it once a week instead of every day. Love shopping. Try once a month instead of every weekend. Small changes today can create big savings tomorrow. Number 3. Make your money work for you. Saving money is good, but leaving all of it sitting in a bank account isn't always the smartest move. Because every year inflation quietly reduces your money's buying power. That's why wealthy people don't just save, they invest. Whether it's gold, real estate, index funds, or another long-term investment. The goal is simple. Let your money grow while you sleep. Number 4. Be careful who you spend time with. The people around you shape your habits more than you think. If your friends constantly buy expensive things just to impress others, soon you'll feel pressure to do the same. And before you know it, your budget disappears trying to keep up with someone else's lifestyle. Choose friends who value wisdom over luxury. The right people can save you thousands of dollars without even trying. And finally, number 5. The Japanese secret called Kakeibo. More than a century ago, a Japanese journalist introduced a simple budgeting system called Kakeibo. Even today, many families in Japan use it to save between 15% and 30% of their income. Here's how it works. Divide your expenses into 4 categories: essentials, optional spending, culture and learning, and unexpected expenses. At the beginning of each month, decide exactly how much money each category gets. Many people even use separate envelopes. When the money in one envelope is gone, they stop spending in that category. Simple, effective, and incredibly powerful. The best part? You always know where every dollar goes. Saving money isn't about living a boring life. It's about making smarter decisions so your future becomes easier, less stressful, and full of more opportunities. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest thing that stops you from saving money? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more simple money lessons that can change your life.